the members of the media. Very good afternoon to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, undoubtedly we are facing some challenging times, and it is during these times that certain individuals try and take advantage of our desperation and prey on individuals who want to make make some kind of a quick cash deals. And today I'd like to highlight an issue of some national interest and which has begun to plague our communities. And I'm sure you've actually heard of this, or someone's been approached in your family or your friends and you've been asked to participate in it. And I'm talking about the multiple get-rich-quick schemes which is rearing its ugly head and in every junction in our communities. And we've received reports from many Fijians who are actually participating in it. And before I actually say anything further, I want to make it very, very clear and quite categorically tell everybody that pyramid schemes are actually illegal. And anyone organizing or participating in it, in such schemes, can be charged under Section 87A of the FCCC Act. Pyramid schemes in Fiji are now being labeled as gifting circles and community giving or gifting. The road to participating in these schemes is often paved with some sound intentions that and clever branding, like women empowering women, or circle of friends, or secret sister, or secret brother, and so on. And it's just actually called a gifting circle. But it does not make it one, and I'm stressing again, now this is to all Fijians, it is illegal. Pyramid schemes or community gifting circles make virtually all the profits from signing up new recruits and giving the illusion that it'll allow you to make some high returns on your investment. And they're not only illegal, it's actually a waste of money and actual time. You'll note that the amount that you're expected to contribute actually ends up increasing, and that's money out of your pockets and for many out of their savings. And if the contribution chain breaks, many people will be affected, and trying to recover money that they've lost is pretty much impossible. So to all Fijians, I'm actually resonating what the Consumer Council has previously warned everybody about, that such schemes will actually destroy the knitted fabric of our society. A lot of people are convinced by such scams, but they'll only start to complain when the payback actually vanishes. Commonly, we trust friends and family members, etc., who introduce us to these particular schemes, and this is what the pyramid schemes do to actually grow. But people will end up blaming their loved ones or your good mates and your good friends, and lose out on hard-earned cash once the actual pyramid collapses and vanishes, which will inevitably happen. So if you're unsure, you need to find out, you have some concerns, need some further advice, please contact the Consumer Council on their toll-free number and 155. And please remember, this is not something to be taken lightly. It is illegal, and you can be charged under Section 87A of the FCCC Act. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Naka.